In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to kickstart an Astro project with Cursor AI. We'll begin by setting up a clean Astro project using the integrated terminal inside your editor. Open the terminal and run the standard command npm create Astro at latest. This prompts Astro's official scaffolder, which walks you through a few choices like template and tooling, then generates a ready-to-edit project. Once the files appear, you have a solid foundation that follows Astro's conventions out of the box, which makes everything else easier. Next, let's put Cursor's AI features to work so you can code in natural language. If you prefer inline edits, bring up the Command plus K menu on a selection, describe what you want, and let the AI propose changes. Or open the chat interface and give a clear instruction like, I should create a new Astro component for a blog postcard. Be specific about the file location, props you want, and any styles. The clearer your request, the better the AI's first draft will be, and you can quickly refine from there. If you already have an existing code base, such as a React or Vite project, you can ask Cursor to convert it to astro.js. The AI can analyze your project structure, update dependencies, and handle routing differences. For example, it can move pages into the src pages directory, translate components to .astro files where appropriate, and identify which parts should remain as framework components. This approach lets you reuse what you've built while adopting Astro's performance-focused architecture. To keep everything aligned with community standards, guide the AI with rules. Cursor supports a rules system, and you can find examples in the Cursor directory. Rules help enforce Astro's best practices: proper file organization under src, markdown support for content, and minimal JavaScript by default. This not only keeps your codebase tidy, but also ensures you get the performance benefits Astro is known for. As the AI generates code, review it carefully. Sometimes it might confuse different Astro versions or leave out key syntax. A common example is forgetting the triple dash front matter separators at the top of an .astro component. If you notice issues, be explicit in your instructions, such as use .astro front matter with "ow" or place this file in src's components. Minor manual corrections are normal and often faster than reprompting. Double-check imports, component names, and routing paths, and don't hesitate to ask the AI to explain its changes if something looks off. With these steps, you can spin up an Astro project quickly, describe features in plain English, convert existing code when needed, and keep everything consistent and maintainable.